Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Agino. Bitcoin update. Bitcoin, you can see spiking up to our 7750 level, hitting it once, coming back into the rotation zone, hitting it again, and then falling back off. At this point, the best thing to do is a reverse scan box higher, and we'll check out those levels for the bullish side, although this is potentially forming a double top pattern, which is a close or an extended move below 76.51. Now it's lower probability. You just saw that bar drop right to the bottom of the rotation zone. It's slightly lower probability because it is against the rotation zone, but if this does trigger, the first level you'll watch for is 75.98. Next one, 77.70 or 75.72. Next is 75.45 to the downside. If that breaks, then we'll be watching for a return to these lows right around 7,500 prior gain level and this spike bottom. And if that breaks, you can watch for 74.09. Let's check out the daily chart. Daily chart, expanding this, we can check out our next reverse scan box levels, which I put on there too. So you see also this spiking up right where the decline 21 is, and prior gain level, and then dropping like a rock. So still can't get through the rotation zone. Also notice the first target is right where the 8 is, so that's going to be a level to really pay attention to. Now, if we can get back up here and get back above the 21, next level 78.29, 78.71 to 78.80, major cluster in there, and then 79.63, which we had some dip buyers coming in, so that's a level you cannot ignore. And we've already gone through the down levels. We'll see if this drops back out of the rotation zone. Won't be a very positive sign, especially if it stays below the R zone on the 4-hour time frame. Switching over to Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash running up, hitting our next level, 1174. What was the high on this one? This was 1174.50. We had 1174.25. Falling back down, holding at the rotation zone right now. This we can keep going forward because it's still not going to exceed the highs. So I can give you 1190 and 1206 on the next run up if this holds. Now if this key area of 1128 does not hold, well then we watch you for a return to about 1100, 1097 to 1100. And if that does not hold, then we'll be watching for a potential return all the way back down to about this 1060 level. Let's switch over to that daily chart. Daily chart. So we still have the first cross rotation zone. We're still caught between the 50 and the essentially the rising 8. So again, we're going to be watching for a breakout of either of these levels. This temporarily got up here, could not get above this 1171 key level. And we'll be watching, there's a lot of support coming in at 1100, 1095 to 1100. So either we want to close above this 1171 level or we want to close below the 1095 to help us really determine the next direction. Otherwise, it's just consolidating in here. And as it gets tighter and tighter, there will be a more violent breakout at some point. We just don't know which way, especially if it gets back below the 4-hour rotation zone. So we have for you right now on Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.